How's it going, neighbors? This is Ed here with eTrailer.com, and we're taking a look at the Rhino-Rack Roof Rack System on our 2022 Chevy Colorado. Adding a roof rack to the roof of your Colorado is going to help solve the issue of having limited cargo space in comparison to other trucks. So this is going to allow you to use that negative space to get your items out on the road with you for your journey, kind of like this Yakima SkinnyWarrior Roof Rack. Taking a closer look at our roof rack, you can see that our crossbars, they're going to go across and they're 48 inches wide. As far as the clearance your tower gives you, is plenty of space to get your accessories looped underneath, and you have just enough room on the end if you want to add like a loop or a tie down to your T-track. As far as your T-track, it's 7/8 inch wide, and you can cut and trim the arrow material that's at the top to fit for those items that you may want to put in your track. On the end cap of your crossbars, you actually have a plastic lock. You can swap it out to have metal locks, just like the end caps of your towers. As far as how your towers make contact with your vehicle, this is a rubber pad that fits the contour of the gutter of the vehicle, and your clip here underneath your door jamb is also padded where it makes contact with the frame with the interior of the door. With the extended cab model that we're demonstrating with today, you are kind of limited as far as the space that you can have for your spread. One of the plus to that is actually the fact that since there's no fixed mounting points, you can make the necessary adjustments. And also, if you're needing a little bit more bar for your hangover, you can go up the next size for your Rhino-Rack crossbar. Your installation is pretty cut and dry. I'm going to show you how to get it done right now. We're going to start our process by putting together our towers and prepping our crossbar. So you're going to use your plastic Rhino-Rack key to remove your end cap. And I start by removing the bolt on the end of the tower. Your fit kit is actually going to, a part of your fit kit is actually going to be secured by this bolt that's included. So once you get that threaded down, we're going to add our clip. Just going to hand tighten it down a little bit. And now we're going to grab our base. And we're going to make sure our arrow is pointing inward. And as far as our pad, we want that pointing inward as well. You're just going to let that snap around. And we're going to attach our platform to the bottom. You have a T-track slot here that you're going to slide in the foot. And from here, you're going to go with the measurement that you have for the spacing of your feet. Included in your Rhino-Rack setup, you're going to have a measuring strip. Since this is just a demonstration and you cut it to size, we won't be using that portion for the install. Now we're going to take our bar and place it on top of the roof, just kind of in the rough position. And now we're just going to do a little bit of adjusting to make sure everything is at the correct spread and the pads are resting where they should. And now we're going to tighten our tower using our included Rhino-Rack tool, and we can get to the specified torque once the curve on the handle goes straight like this. So from here, we're going to be able to slide our door on the front and lock it. Looks like it's already locked, so I'll unlock it and then lock it. All right, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So this has been a look at the installation and some of the features on the Rhino-Rack Roof Rack System on our 2022 Chevy Colorado. Have a great day.